In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Google so you can promote your products across Google Search, Shopping, and other Google services. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Settings, then select Apps and Sales Channels. Click Shopify App Store and search for the Google and YouTube app. Install the Google and YouTube app and open it from your Shopify dashboard. Click Connect Google account and sign in with the Google account you want to use for your business. Once connected, follow the setup instructions to link your Google Merchant Center and Google Ads accounts. If you don't already have these accounts, Shopify will guide you through creating them. Next, review your product information and ensure your products meet Google's requirements. After approval, your products can appear on Google Shopping and other Google surfaces. You can also connect Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track traffic, monitor performance, and improve your store's visibility in search results. After completing the setup, click Finish Setup and allow Google some time to review and sync your products. That's it! You've successfully integrated Shopify with Google. Thanks for watching.